Tired of outdated kitchen tools? In this video, we're diving into the smartest and most efficient gadgets of 2025 designed to save you time, space, and even energy. Let's see what your kitchen has been missing. Compact, stylish, and ready to chill, this Frigidaire mini fridge holds up to 6 cans in its 4 liters interior. Perfect for storing beverages, skincare, or snacks, it fits anywhere from your desk to your car. The bold retro red finish adds a pop of color, while the quiet cooling system ensures it won't disturb your work or rest. Its eco-friendly thermoelectric system keeps your items cool without using harmful refrigerants, making it a smart and sustainable choice. Lightweight and portable, it connects to both standard and car power outlets, making it ideal for home, office, or travel. Need quick cooling in a small space? This fridge does the job with flair. Need a blender that fits your busy lifestyle? The Magic Bullet chops, blends, whips, and grinds with a 250W high-torque power base. Its compact design saves counter space, while the included cups and lids make on-the-go meals effortless. From smoothies to sauces, this 11-piece set handles it all with ease. Cleanup is a breeze too, just rinse the attachments or pop them into the dishwasher for quick, hassle-free washing. Tired of cluttered cabinets and mismatched cookware? The Carotte 15-piece set offers a sleek, space-saving solution with its detachable handles and stackable design, saving up to 70% more space. The ultra-peeling resistant non-stick surface ensures effortless cooking and easy cleanup. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, and oven safe without the handles, this set brings versatility to your kitchen. Its elegant cream white finish adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen decor. Whether you're cooking daily meals or hosting guests, this set gives you the tools to handle it all with style and ease. Looking for a kettle that combines speed, safety, and style? The Cosiri electric kettle features a 1500W heating element that rapidly boils water in just 3-7 minutes. Its 1.7-liter borosilicate glass body is complemented by a stainless steel inner lid and filter, ensuring no plastic touches your water. The blue LED indicator adds a modern touch, while the wide opening allows for easy cleaning. With auto shut-off and boil-dry protection, it's designed for safe, everyday use. Looking for versatile and durable pitchers for your beverages? This set from Sidea includes two 64-ounce glass jars that do more than just look good, they're built to last. Each jar comes with a leak-proof, airtight flip-top lid that keeps your drinks fresh and spill-free, even on the go. Made from thick, BPA-free glass, they can handle both hot and cold liquids with ease. The wide-mouth design makes them easy to fill with fruit, ice, or coffee grounds, and even easier to clean. Whether you're brewing iced tea, preparing detox water, or simply storing milk or juice in the fridge, these pitchers are a smart, stylish choice. You can also use them to prep and store homemade dressings, flavored waters, or even small batches of kombucha. Their rustic mason-jar aesthetic fits beautifully in any kitchen, while the durable build ensures they're ready for everyday use or entertaining guests. Need a reliable solution for large batch cooking and preserving? The TFAL 22-quart pressure cooker and canner offers a spacious capacity, accommodating up to 16 pint-sized jars or 7 quart-sized jars, making it ideal for canning vegetables, meats, poultry, and seafood. Its durable aluminum construction ensures even heating and long-lasting performance. With 3 pressure settings 5, 10, and 15 psi, you can customize the cooking pressure to suit various recipes. The secure locking mechanism, steam release valve, and pressure gauge provide safety and control during use. Compatible with gas and electric stovetops, this versatile cooker reduces cooking times by up to 70% compared to conventional methods. Included are 2 cooking racks to maximize canning space and a recipe booklet to inspire your culinary creations. Perfect for homesteaders or anyone embracing a self-sufficient lifestyle, it simplifies food preservation year-round. Looking to simplify meal prep without sacrificing quality? The AromaArc 914SBD combines a rice cooker and food steamer in one compact unit. It perfectly prepares 2 to 8 cups of any cooked rice variety and features specialized functions for white and brown rice. The 15-hour programmable delay timer offers flexible meal planning, ensuring your meals are ready when you are. The included steam tray allows for healthy steaming of meats and vegetables while rice cooks below. Easy-to-use digital controls with automatic keep warm function make cooking effortless. It also doubles as a slow cooker, giving you even more flexibility in the kitchen. Its compact design and cool touch exterior make it safe and convenient for any kitchen. Whether you're cooking for one or the whole family, this versatile appliance is a reliable addition to your kitchen arsenal. Cleanup is quick thanks to the non-stick in a pot, which is removable and dishwasher safe. Experience the perfect fusion of stainless steel and non-stick with Hexclad's 12-inch wok. Its TRI-ply construction ensures even heat distribution, while the laser-etched hexagonal surface offers superior searing and easy cleanup. Oven-safe up to 900F and compatible with all cooktops, it's a versatile addition to any kitchen. Struggling with tedious grating tasks? The Keuch rotary cheese grater simplifies meal prep with its ergonomic handle and 3 interchangeable stainless steel blades for slicing, shredding, and grinding. Its BPA-free ABS plastic body ensures durability, while the strong suction base keeps it stable during use. Ideal for cheese, vegetables, and nuts, this compact grater is easy to disassemble and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Perfect for daily cooking or special recipes, it saves you time and effort without compromising on results. Searching for a heartfelt gift that combines practicality with sentiment? The Zootkogo glass cup features a charming best mum ever design, making it an ideal present for Mother's Day, birthdays, or any special occasion. Crafted from durable glass, it comes with a secure lid and reusable straw, perfect for enjoying iced coffee, tea, or smoothies. The thoughtful design and quality materials ensure it's a gift that will be cherished and used daily. Its elegant packaging makes it ready to gift straight out of the box, no wrapping needed. Need a tumbler that keeps up with your active lifestyle? The Stanley Quencher Proda offers a 30 ounces capacity and double wall vacuum insulation to keep drinks cold for hours. Its built-in flip straw and ergonomic handle make sipping on the go effortless. Designed to fit most car cup holders, it's perfect for commuting, workouts, or outdoor adventures. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this tumbler is both stylish and practical, ensuring your beverages stay at the ideal temperature wherever you are. The Proda is also dishwasher safe and BPA free, combining ease of use with everyday safety. Tired of cluttered cabinets and mismatched cookware? The Sensat 17-piece set offers a sleek, space-saving solution with its detachable handles and stackable design, saving up to 70% more storage space. The durable granite non-stick coating ensures effortless cooking and easy cleanup, while being free from PFOA, lead, and cadmium for healthier meals every day. This set works on all stovetops, including induction, and is oven-safe when handles are removed, giving you full cooking flexibility. It includes saucepans, frying pans, a sous-pan, grill pan, glass lids, fridge storage lids, and protective pads to prevent scratching. The sturdy Bakelite handles support up to 22 pounds and attach with a simple click. Whether you're whipping up breakfast or preparing a holiday feast, this comprehensive set meets all your cooking needs with ease, elegance, and reliability. Struggling with stubborn cans or bottles? The KitchenAid Classic Opener features a sharp 420J2 stainless steel cutting wheel and an integrated bottle opener, ensuring smooth operation every time. Its oversized, easy-to-turn knob offers a secure grip, making it ideal for users with limited hand strength. The ergonomic handle provides comfort during use, and the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Looking for a stylish and eco-friendly way to enjoy your favorite beverages? The Scoozy Iced Coffee Cup is a beautifully crafted 18 ounces tumbler made from heat and cold-resistant borosilicate glass. It's ideal for everything from iced coffee and matcha to fruit-infused water and smoothies. The included bamboo lid features a silicone ring for a secure, leak-resistant seal, while the reusable glass straw makes sipping effortless. You also get a straw cleaner and cork coaster, adding value and convenience to your daily routine. Its sleek, minimalist silhouette fits in most car cup holders, making it perfect for commutes, gym sessions, or cozy mornings at home. BPA-free and dishwasher safe, this cup is designed for sustainability and everyday use. Whether you're treating yourself or gifting a coffee lover, Scoozy delivers quality, aesthetics, and practicality in one smart set. Tired of messy microwave splatters? The Lirae's 10-inch tall glass cover keeps your microwave clean while evenly heating your food. Made from durable borosilicate glass, it features a venting hole system that allows steam to escape safely, preventing burns and keeping your food moist. The easy grip silicone handle stays cool to the touch, ensuring safe handling. Its tall design accommodates larger portions and deeper bowls, making it ideal for reheating full meals without the mess. Dishwasher safe and BPA free, this cover is a healthier alternative to plastic lids. Tired of struggling with stubborn ice cubes? The Dokos 4-pack ice cube tray set features flexible silicone bottoms and sturdy plastic frames for effortless ice removal. Each tray comes with a tight-fitting lid to prevent spills and absorb odors, while the included storage bin keeps your freezer organized. Ideal for cocktails, baby food, or coffee, this BPA-free set is dishwasher safe and stackable for convenient storage. With 4 trays and 56 cubes total, you'll always have enough ice ready for any occasion. Looking for versatile cookware that saves space? This 2-in-1 cast iron set includes a 5-quart Dutch oven and a skillet lid, both PRE seasoned for immediate use. The durable cast iron construction ensures even heat distribution, making it ideal for baking, frying, and roasting. Suitable for all stovetops, including induction, and oven safe, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor cooking. Need instant hot water for tea, coffee, or quick meals without the wait? The Zojirushi CDNAC 40BM delivers with a generous 4-liter capacity and customizable heat settings to match your needs. Whether you prefer a gentle warmth for green tea or boiling hot water for soup, this smart appliance offers precise control at 4 temperature levels. Thanks to advanced thermal technology, it maintains your chosen heat without reheating from scratch. A quick temp mode lets you skip the boil phase entirely, saving time and energy. Its digital screen shows real-time water temperature, while the one-touch dispenser adds ease and speed to every pour. Built-in safety features, including a locking spout and timed shut-off, give you peace of mind during use. The wide lid and removable top make refilling and cleaning simple. Designed with BPA-free materials and a sleek metallic finish, this boiler is a durable, elegant upgrade for any kitchen or office setup. Craving perfect crepes or dosus at home? The Sensat 12-inch crepe pan offers a spacious, flat surface ideal for crafting thin, evenly cooked delights. Its Swiss granite non-stick coating ensures effortless food release and quick cleanup, all while being free from PFOA, lead, and cadmium for healthier cooking. The pan's recycled aluminum body provides excellent heat distribution, and the reinforced, wobble-free base adds stability on any stovetop, including induction. The ergonomic Stay Cool handle offers a comfortable grip, enhancing safety and control during use. Whether you're making pancakes, tortillas, or flatbreads, this pan combines functionality with eco-friendly design, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Struggling to get your salad greens dry and crisp? The OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner takes the hassle out of meal prep with a simple one-press spinning system that dries lettuce, herbs, and more in seconds. The soft touch pump is easy to use with one hand, while the built-in brake button gives you instant control. A stable, non-slip base keeps everything steady while spinning. The inner basket doubles as a rinse colander, and the outer bowl can be used for serving, saving you time and dishes. With a 6.22 quart capacity, it's large enough for family meals but compact enough to store easily. BPA-free and dishwasher safe, this spinner offers practical performance with thoughtful design. Want bakery quality crispness at home without the bulk of oversized trays? This quarter sheet and grid set from Nordic Ware is perfect for small batch baking and roasting. Made from heavy-duty aluminum, the pan heats evenly for golden results without hot spots, while the reinforced rim prevents bending or warping over time. The oven-safe steel grid lifts food above the surface, improving airflow and producing that irresistible crunch on cookies, bacon, or vegetables. Its compact size is great for single servings, quick snacks, or side dishes, and it's just as useful for cooling or draining. Whether you're roasting potatoes or glazing pastries, this set delivers consistent performance with minimal cleanup. The grid's non-stick coating also makes it easier to clean, saving time after every use. Built for everyday use and made in the USA, it's a must-have upgrade for kitchens that value quality over quantity. Looking for a gift that combines elegance and practicality? This Ogo glass teacup features a delicate butterfly and rose design, making it a charming present for Mother's Day, birthdays, or any special occasion. Crafted from lead-free glass, it comes with a matching spoon and arrives in a decorative box, ready to delight your loved one. Perfect for tea, coffee, or even desserts, it adds a touch of romance to any table setting. Want to keep your pantry items fresher for longer? The Unerva Electric Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit offers a convenient solution for preserving dry goods, snacks, and more. Compatible with both wide and regular mouth mason jars, this compact device creates an airtight seal at the press of a button. Its powerful suction ensures optimal freshness, while the cordless design makes it easy to use anywhere. Ideal for home canning enthusiasts and those looking to reduce food waste. Sick of sipping lukewarm coffee while you work or relax? The Kitschik Shop Mug Warmer keeps your favorite drink hot just the way you like it. Choose from 4 distinct temperature levels to match your mood: mildly warm or piping hot. Its generously sized heating surface fits most types of mugs, whether ceramic, glass, or metal. With a programmable timer ranging from 1 to 12 hours, it adapts to your schedule and shuts off automatically for added safety. The touch controls are intuitive and responsive, letting you adjust settings with a single press. No more reheating or wasted brews, just consistent warmth all day. Sleek, compact, and user-friendly, it's perfect for your home office, kitchen, or bedside table. Designed with modern convenience in mind, it combines safety, style, and reliability in one simple gadget. Microwave spills ruining your day? This clever cover keeps splashes contained while heating food evenly. It expands to fit over most plates and bowls, then folds flat to save space in your drawer. Small steam vents prevent sogginess, and its BPA-free materials make it safe and easy to clean in the dishwasher.